What's going on, YouTube? How y'all doing? If you're new here, my name is Mayora. If you're not new here, welcome back to another video. And on today's video, I got a little something different for y'all. It's not a vlog today. Today we're going to be cooking. No, I do not know how to cook, but I just seen this dish and I was like, oh, I gotta try that. That look good. So I'm gonna insert the video of what I'm about to make. It's basically a chicken broccoli cheese pizza, basically. But I'm gonna insert the video like of where I got the idea from. I'm gonna insert that in here. But right now I'm at FedEx. I'm at FedEx with my mom. She is finna ship a package or something like that. But we about to go to Walmart so I can get all the stuff to make the pizza. And yeah, hope y'all enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already, and I will get back to y'all when I get to Walmart. YouTube, what's going on? I'm at Walmart right now. As you can see, we in Walmart right now. And oh, my mama don't want to be on the vlog per usual, but I'm in Walmart right now to get all of the stuff that I need for this pizza. We got most of the like seasoning and all that at home. I just gotta get broccoli. We're gonna get the frozen broccoli, chicken. I know we gotta get some cheese, and that's probably it. But right now, looking for the chicken. It's cold, y'all. Yeah, we need chicken breasts because we're just gonna cut it up. I really just need 2 breasts. Uh-oh. This? Oh.
But you don't need that much. Like this, you just chop it up.
Oh, and that's all I gotta do? Okay, cool. Boom. Hold up, YouTube. YouTube, what's going on, YouTube? I'm back. So, we already have the pizza crust, the cheese, the chicken. That's about it. But right now, I'm looking for a sauce that I want to put on my pizza. In the video, they didn't use the regular like pizza sauce, so I'm not gonna do that. I am going to get this. I don't know if I want this, y'all. Buffalo ranch. Ma, it's buffalo and ranch. Buffalo ranch. Y'all, I'm about to put this on the pizza. Mom, that's what I'm gonna do. That's so different. Like, who y'all know did this? So, but it's so big though. This is the only one they have. So we gotta get it. We getting this buffalo ranch, Mom? I am. Okay, boom. So, look like we got everything we need for this video, but I'm not really sure for real. Buffalo wing. It's gonna taste like wings. Nah, I'm gonna stick with what I got. Where she goes? Boom. But yeah, we got that. We got everything we need, really. No cap. Oh yeah. Oh, we about to leave Walmart now and go home. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm about to start cooking. Cap. Once again, I don't know how to cook, so we finna. Oh, we didn't even get no broccoli. I lied, y'all. Oh, okay. I lied, y'all. We not done yet. I didn't even get no broccoli. Not getting that. Cause you gotta do too much with that. So I'm gonna get the frozen one. I want it to be already like Great Value got one. Broccoli cut, stink fresh broccoli. What's the difference? I don't want that. I want like minis. Y'all, I don't even know. Okay. Maybe this one. Okay, yeah. Use little. I think. Okay, boom. Broccoli. We got everything for real now. I think. I don't know still. But yeah, that's the broccoli. Come on, this one. Alright, that's the broccoli. And we got ice cream, but I'm gonna just see if they got a little one of these things. Yo, let me put y'all on right quick. Buzz, these right here slap. No cap. This is all the groceries. So yeah, what I had told y'all. Oh yeah, we about to check out now and go home, and I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm about to start cooking. YouTube, I'm back and I'm at home. I got all of my ingredients in front of me, and we just about to hop right into it and start making the piece. Oh, let me show y'all the ingredients. So we got the chicken right here, broccoli, the chicken crust, white cheese, some tomato sauce. That might not get used, I don't know yet. Buffalo ranch, and then I have my seasonings. Let me just, I got the Pam, onion powder, black pepper, slap your mama, seasoned salt, regular salt, salt and pepper basically, and it's Nashville hot chicken. But yeah, so first, let me put the seasonings back over there. But the first thing to do is clean the chicken. You did. No cap. Clean your chicken. Clean that chicken. You did. Okay. So we about to clean the chicken. Let me move y'all up here. Let me just be honest with y'all. I'm not 100% sure of what I'm doing, but hey, it's okay. It's okay. Ugh. I should just use all of them. Y'all, we got them tenderloins or whatever. Whatever my mama said. Tenderloins. Chicken in the water. We're gonna put some a little apple cider vinegar in it. That's what my mama do, so I don't know. They gonna be like, what? Huh? Chicken. chicken. So YouTube, I'm done cleaning off the chicken, as y'all seen. Now I'm about to put the chicken on here and cut it up. So let me set y'all up. So I can cut this chicken and season it. Oh, I gotta season the chicken too. Can't forget that. Okay, YouTube, we here, and I'm about to season the chicken and also cut the chicken. First, I'm gonna cut the chicken. I ain't even drain all the water out. Oh, actually, I can sit them all right here because I'm gonna need this bowl. Tenderloin. As y'all can tell, that's probably not even right. Probably not even supposed to put all the chicken up on the board with you at one time. But it's okay, we thugging it out. So chicken. Oh, y'all probably can't even see me cutting. Alright, so I'm finna finish cutting up this chicken, and I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm about to season it. So y'all just not watching me cut up chicken, but I'll be back. So we back. Chicken is cut up. Now I am about to season. Okay, yeah. Now I'm about to season the chicken. All the seasonings are over here. So let's just get them back. Come over here. We're gonna first start out with some seasoning salt. You did. Then we got salt and pepper. Salt. A little salt. A little pepper. Slap the mama. Ooh. We got some onion powder. Okay then. And last we have this Nashville hot chicken seasoning. It's not even moving. It's like I lied. You know it's hot. That's why. Well, maybe I don't need to use it. We just gonna mix that around. It's actually so nasty. I'm actually gonna add this. I'm gonna. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, I almost put it on the floor. Put that over there. Okay. Chicken is seasoned. Next, we are going to cook the chicken First, we have to set up. Well, the stove is already set up, really. I'm gonna move y'all over here. Ugh. Okay, YouTube, we are about to get the stove ready. Yeah, that's this one. Oh, yeah, that's intro. Got my chicken right here. More? Oh. About 6. My mama assisting, because I don't know what I'm doing for real. Anyways, chicken on the stove. I'm about to just pour it all on there right now. About to just pour it all on there. Yeah. And this too. Scoop it. Oh, shoot. It's not sizzling, Ma. Ma, it's not sizzling. It's not sizzling. Y'all, my chicken not even sizzling. I wanted to drop in there and then say... Gotta turn this bad boy up. So, y'all, the chicken is in. Let me show y'all. The chicken is in. And the... Oh. Y'all heard that pop. But I still really don't know. My chicken not cooking. Uh-oh. We might gotta fail. This one. We just have to wait for it to start cooking, I guess. I don't know. Dude, who knows? It's still gonna taste good, hopefully. But y'all heard that? Y'all see the smoke? Y'all see the smoke. Accomplished. Oh, okay. It's cooking. I see it cooking. No cap. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get back with y'all when it's cooking a little bit more. I just wanted to show y'all that it was cooking some more. Stop playing with it, cause the chicken looking good, no cap. And the pizza about to taste good, no cap. No. Oh, but I am about to get the broccoli ready. My bad. This broccoli, I can just put it in the microwave. I'm gonna put that in the microwave. This gonna cook. Then I'm gonna set up my dough. So yeah. I'm about to set my phone up so y'all can see me finish the rest of this stuff. Chicken, more chicken. But the broccoli, it only has to 5 minutes. Based on okay. Microwave voltage. What's our voltage on the microwave? Oh, 5 minutes. Okay. So 5 minutes. The chicken is here. About done. Chicken here about done. Let me tell y'all, the chicken. Let's see. Oh. This chicken right here, good. Next, okay guys, I am now about to roll out the dough. Roll that dough out. That background noise.
Oh, I thought you
So-
said something so we didn't hear the background noise.
I mean, I got the mic on. Or I could peel here, start here, peel, press, pause. You know what? I busted. I bust that thing. So, we got some dough. It's the whole dough, but I'm gonna try to make two pizzas. But we're gonna see how it goes. But it seems like the dough is like coming back together. That's weird, but hey. If y'all hear the broccoli in the back. Got the broccoli in the back. I just burped. Excuse me. Okay, and then this one. Yes, my hands are clean. Thank you. Mind your business. Worry about your house, not mine. This, I be seeing them make pizza and they be doing something like this, so. My dough keep breaking. Like, what is going on? This is the dough. We got somewhat of a circle there, and this is, and who knows. But next, I am going to put the toppings on there. Not the toppings, but what am I talking about? The sauce. I'm going to use this buffalo ranch sauce for my pizza. I'm not going to use that tomato sauce because I don't want to use that. I'm in a bit with P lady, QP. Ooh, we might have used a bit too much sauce. So let's. It's gonna be okay. And it's dripping off the. So you got your sauce. Then next. Put some butter in the broccoli. Okay, both pizzas are done, and I'm not gonna lie, they look good. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie to you. Okay, so now, why am I doing that? Should I use the air fryer more? No, that's too much. Well, I have to preheat the oven. You know what I'm doing. Bake 350. Start. Boom. So we waiting on that. But these are the pizzas. I should have been heating up the oven. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all when I put the pizzas in the oven. So I'll be back. YouTube. The oven is now at 350. So that means I can put my pizza in there. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna put, let me do it. A little bit of this. Ooh, that might have been a lot. Okay. I put that on my pizza. Let's put it over here. I know it's not hot yet, but I don't go for none. We not going for none. Put my little piece in there. My little piece. Oh, wait. Hold on. Because I need a picture of that. Thank you. Piece in the oven. I'm going to set the timer for 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Start. Let's turn on the light so I can see. So I can see my little pizza. My little pizza. Okay, YouTube. The pizza's in the oven. So now I gotta wait. So I'll get back with y'all when my pizza is done. Hopefully it tastes good. The chicken tastes good. I've been munching on the chicken like by itself. The chicken is good, so hopefully the pizza good. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when the pizza is done. So that's in about 20 minutes. I'll see y'all in about 20 minutes. So YouTube, the oven is going off. It says in right now. Oh my God. Hold up, y'all. It puffed up so much. It looked like a, I don't know. It looked good though, I ain't gonna lie. But they puffed up a lot. I don't know if it's, oh yeah. That's definitely, she done skis. Okay, let's take her out. Uh-oh. Okay. Do y'all see that? All this stuff on the table. This is basically my pizza. Dang, I just slapped it down. We about to try the pizza. Hopefully I can see myself. Oh. Okay. And then the crust tastes just like a biscuit. Or that's the same brand. Slap to me. That's good. That's really good. And then you taste the biscuit. Guess what drink I'm finna pull out? Propel tea. Oh yeah, that's good. So I'm about to finish eating my food. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. To me, it turned out good. So y'all let me know how it looked. If y'all think y'all would eat that, let me know down in the comments how it looked to y'all. But to me, it tastes really good. I give it, not a 10 out of 10, that's OD. It ain't just good, but it's good. I give it like a 8.5. Like, I would cook this another time. Even though I don't cook. But it was good, so I would cook it again. But yeah, comment down below if y'all want to see some other cooking videos. Like I said, I don't really cook, but if it's a video or some instructions, I could just go off that like I did with this pizza. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe on the video, and I will see y'all in the next banger. Yeah.